Hi everyone, today in this new tutorial we're going to talk about the tweening animation. And for a long time I used this one, the tweener. You can read all the information here. I'm going to share the link obviously. But a few months ago I found this one that I prefer because we have, you can see here a tutorial, but you have this easy tween that I've been using since Flash. So you can see here, he's the same, him being in creating interactive projects, and he used Adobe Flash and HTML5, and tweening animation is, for a long time I use it too, and again for green sock, everything. So for me, it's like more natural to use this one, and it's an easy way to use it. So that is cool. You have a lot of examples, and you have a few examples. I don't know why, but I downloaded the version, this the 1.2, but that doesn't work. So download the easy example. You are going to have this example. You copy this version, and you can paste it to your version. So I have this. I'm going to enable this. So it's like when we use this, Paola. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to show you. So, for example, I'm going to create a circle, and because I want better high quality, I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to use a transform because I want to show you. Maybe I'm going to divide my screen, so I think much better what's going on to the left and to the right. I'm going to use banner, and I'm going to change the resolution for this. Will be 1280, 1280, yeah. And look, okay, will be what auto want. Okay, null name auto one. So we have our circle. I'm going to, small. So for example, before use tween or tweener, what we can do is use our LFO, come back. We can use change the scale for 0.2, maybe that. So for example, we need to use a math, and for the math, we need to do a range -1 to 1 between 0.2 to 0.4. And we connect that to our radius, and we have that. We can change the speed with the frequency in the end. And we have, for example, more for mathematical thing. We can select here 1. We can use ABS time, but that's seconds. Multiply that 0.21. Again, a math. And math go -1 to 1, 0.2 to 0.4. And again, we can change that to our radius. Going maybe duplicate this so you can see what's going on, see all the difference. Sorry, to this radius. And the idea of the transform was, Paola, this one, wood color. But what I'm going to do is use composite. This. We need to double this. So first we need to move this maybe to the left and change the scale. Will be 1 to 2. 1 to 2. So this is in the left, and this is to the right. So you can see that the difference is not too much. There's not, sorry, I changed something. I'm going to change the color so you can see what's that, this one. So yeah, we can change the speed, and we have that. But it's a simple animation. We can change within. We have a ramp and other things, triangle. So you can see when go to the top, it's a pause there. I don't like it, the animation. But how we can change that? So we have a few options. I can use text, and I'm now again going again. No, I was recording another tutorial, but I'm going to divide the screen 3 times. Here is the panel, so we can see here, and here we're going to use Python. So if you don't know, we can write here Python. We can print, let's say, going from Zoom, hi, or hello, or hola. And I can run this using run script and receive the information. So cool. We can use Python here. So first, I'm going to use the Tweener. And the name of the Tweener, go back. You have in common, you have this global shortcut. We have OP Tweener, so that is cool. We can call whatever we want. So I'm going to use OP. Oh, maybe this, yeah. Going to use edit. If you don't know, you can go edit preference. That and select view text editor. In my case, I use Sublime Text. Oh, yeah, Sublime Text. Okay, I'm going to close this. I don't want this because maybe it's much better for you. Use yes, so I can use a zoom. So we need op dot tweener dot 2. We open parentheses, and the cool thing, we can write things here. What do we want to change? I'm going to use another one. I'm going to use circle 3. I'm going to put here, and I'm going to move it. Maybe, yeah, I'm going to move it maybe here, and I'm going to change the scale. Not too much. Not too much. And I'm going to stop this. 1. So, okay, and I'm going to move a little bit this 2. Yeah, so much space for this one. And change the color for, remember, this one. Okay, what do we need to do now? We need to change the radius X and radius Y to this circle 3. Okay, so I want to change circle 3. And we need to add a new things. This not, the other one is, let me check, changing the language on my, sorry, because I am using my English keyboard. It's like, I need to use this, not the other one. The other one, I found it. We need to open this thing. I think we need to write. Okay, what do we want to change? Was radius X. So it will be radius X will be maybe 0.15. Perfect. And we need to change radius Y will be 0.15. I'm going to save this. And I'm going to run this. That's important. See, this is working. Run. Move and stop. Okay, it's doing something. Cool. It's working. We need to add more things. We need to do this animation as a yo-yo that they call, it's like go and return. So for that, we need to add more things. So it's repeat. Yes. So we can say repeat 5 times, or if you want infinite, we need to write -1. And we need to, I'm going to save this. I'm going to change the scale for this, will be 1 and 1. And I want to show you what happened when I rerun this, because we put repeat -1. I'm going to run this. So what is going on is repeating. It's go to 1 to 0.15 and return to 0.1 to 0.15 and return to 1 to 0.15. But that jump to at the end is, I don't know, it's not animated. So for fix that, we can do a few things. Let me check. It's important you can see, it's like, Paola, how we can stop this because it's running all the time. We can press this tweener, kill out with the tween in the stop, and we can go here 1 1, and I'm going to add to the code how it will be the way of repeat this animation. It will be ping pong or yo-yo that we call, I think, in Flash, true. I'm going to save. I'm going to run the script. So go and back, go and back. Cool. Again, we can go here and kill the tween. Maybe we go here. You have a few options. We can kill all the tweeners. You can see here. We can copy this code, return to here. Maybe text. Going to paste my code tweener. I can run this. And maybe I can run this one as Control R in my PC and kill. So we have two scripts to stop this. I'm going to return this to here because I'm going to show you important thing, because you can see we need to control the speed, because right now we don't have that. So we can add will be duration. I want to animate this in 0.5 seconds. So I'm going to run this. So operation result invalid. Let me check if I write everything. Ah, yes, true. Not that. Yeah, that is much better. Run the script and it's faster. Cool. But again, it's similar like this. It's just faster. We need to add more animation. That is the cool about the tweener. Again, I'm going to how we can reset this in now doing this every time. So what I can do is go here, write OP circle 3 that par that radius x is equal to 1. And I copy this, run, y, save. So every time when I run this, I set up your radius to 1. Sorry, 2. Sorry, no, it's 1. It's 0. That 1. And then animate. No? Okay. And then I run this, set up and run. Kill. That's it. Or we can copy here if you want and paste the killer, all the tweeners, put reset there and delete this one. So every time when I kill the animation, for example, run and I kill, stop and reset the radius. Okay, so you have a few things how you can control this. So the cool about this, if we have a lot of animations, so you can see easy and out back. That is cool because it's like bouncing or elastic. I'm going to use that easy in out back. So how we can add that? We go to the animation and we write here easy. Sorry. There will be easy in out back. Perfect. Going to run. So you can see the animation at the end is bouncing. So that is cool. I'm going to stop this. We can change the speed. I need more time. I can run. So you can see the difference there. we can go there and check. Let me check. For example, this go fast and then smooth here. Fast and smooth at the end. I'm going to select easy out quint. Easy out was quint, and I forgot that. Wait, I think so. Let me check. Quint, yes. Say that. Reset my tween and run that. So it's faster and smooth at the end. Faster in the beginning in that. So when I use this, because every time we need to run this with my commands, when I use this, in my case, I try to use this. Use a timeline. Okay. And I use a execute. And for me, it's like when I do a video clip and for a moment, for example, the music is high and I want to, in the frame 100, something happen. For me, it's okay. In the 100, I'm going to change the scale of this element. So I'm going to copy all of this. Maybe I'm going to prefer Sublime Text so you can see what's going on. So I'm going to say every time, I'm going to use on value chains, but I'm going to say is val is equal to 100. In the frame 100, do something. In this case, I'm going to use this. I'm going to move everything here. I don't want to repeat, and I want to do it fast. Okay, I'm going to save this, and we're going to wait to here return to 100 and see the animation. And there, that happened. So for me, I use a lot of this when I do video clips. And another thing that we need to add is we need to reset this. So I put in the frame 1, please. I'm going to copy all of this. Reset all of this. So I'm going to play, reset, and then 100, go. So you can put a lot of this. It's like, and the frame 100, the frame 200, do something specific. Animation, you can change or animate whatever you want. Right now we are changing the radius, but you can change colors, you can change brightness, you can change everything about this. Is everything. So yeah, that is the cool about Tweener, because you can animate or do an intention for something, because you have a lot of this curves of animation or easing. So yeah, you have here more things, repeat, ping pong, on repeat, or when an animation is complete, do something else. So yeah, you can create a lot of things. You can create, yeah, you have more. This is a container. You can kill all the animation, or you can just store. Oh, no, stop one animation. You can create my tween, do the same, and then you just kill one animation. Not all of the tweener. So that is cool too. So yeah, you can check all of this. You can download, check the tutorials, check the examples, and try it and see what happened. And for me, it helped me a lot for the video clips for more complex animation, because it's like, oh, I want to change for another video clip, or I want to do something else, I want to animate or whatever. You understand here the animation, and you can do something in the time with this. So yeah, I hope you like it, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.